Shalom upon all the children of Israel and Judah forever. It's a waterfall between Salty Bus and La'maz. I'm going in today. Yep. I am going in today. I'm gonna take me a little shower. And you're gonna see how deep the water is. Now this is the first time I'm doing this. Yeah, I'll be naked on camera. But hey, that's what life is like in St. Lucia. I set the phone up on a little rock. Let me see. I'm not gonna take it off. I'm gonna leave it right there. And I'm going in. Woo! I almost slipped. Shit. Okay. Ooh, it's cold like a mold. Ah. Woo. Hallelujah! Judah forever in St. Lucia. And it's in the beach. Woo. Shit. It's deep. It's deep. It's neck high up to my neck. Woo! Ah. Woo! It's up to my neck. Ah! Woo! Yeah. This is it, y'all. Hey, today is, I think, June the 19th, 2022. And like I said, Google Jungle Escape Lodge. Jungle Escape Lodge is right behind me. They got one house right now, like a guest house, Airbnb. You can rent, I think, for about $60, $70 a night. Right behind me. This side is the village La'maz, where my mother was born, my grandmother, my grandfather, my ancestors on my mother's side of the family. Okay, I thought something was on my foot. Anyway, so this is heaven. This is Eden. This is Eden right here, y'all. Up the road between La'maz and Mote is the spring. In my previous video, I showed you the spring that's been flowing for 4,000 years. This is a waterfall here. There's another waterfall behind. There's a bigger one. So this video is going to cut off. And I'm going to show you another video, the other waterfall behind. So you got to stay tuned. One more dip. Woo! Ah! Woo! This is like a little beach. It's like a little beach at the bottom of two mountains between Salty Bus and La'maz here in Choiseul, St. Lucia. And I love it. I mean, I'm just coming back home last year, October. And this rock is slippery. Shit. Can I make it up? Can I make it up? Ugh. Okay. And this rock is slippery. There's a lot of green moss on the rock. And you can pick mangoes here like crazy. Mangoes growing like raindrops in the grass. It's like as much rain and grass, it is as much mangoes. And let me see if I can show you. Oh, there's a nutmeg tree that I ran into, a nutmeg tree. Also, there's a nutmeg. There's a nutmeg. Natural from the tree. You can use this nutmeg for your cooking and stuff. Mangoes growing